Happy Sunday to you guys. Well, this amazing Sunday evening, it's actually evening. I mean, after a full day, a full week of working, I want to talk about money. Most people are not intentional about their finances. It's like a stone age thing to just carry your money, save it, and just keep it in the bank, and it's just there doing nothing for you. When there are lots of alpha opportunities for you, even in the crypto space, and not just in crypto. I'm just talking generally. Like if you don't have any intention about your money, you don't have any plan, any future, then you are actually a dangerous person. Last night I was speaking to a gentleman who is a member of the Real Collins crypto community, and I was amazed at what he was saying. He told me his experience with a lot of projects, and he said KineCat token is the project that has been keeping him all through this year. And he remembers when I spoke with him at the inception of the project, and I said to him that this project is not a coin that people will just come collect 10x and then go and do one big thing. No, it's a project that you will hold for a lifetime. Even in 50 years, it will still be feeding you. And he said he now understands the statement because he's experiencing it. So you don't have to grow your wealth. You get to 20,000. You say, how to pull out $20,000? My brother, pull it to where? You must learn to believe in something, have conviction about something. And what we believe in the Real Collins crypto community right now is holding on to a project till it succeeds. And that is KineCat token, the $1 trillion meme that hugs back. If you are here, you've missed Shiba Inu. Some people will be arguing with me. Shiba Inu, I'm holding it. Why is it not the same? You bought at the very top. People had held that coin for several months and years, and it gave them what they deserve, which is what? Prosperity. Now the ball is in your court. You've missed Shiba, you've missed Pepe, you've missed lots of coin, you've missed Dogecoin. Now you have a very good opportunity, a second chance. So you don't have to miss it. If you've not bought KineCat token, I'm sending you now. Go and get it on the Binance Smart Chain. Make sure you use the correct contract address that is in the comment box, and you'll be glad that you did. People that bought it and talked about it 6 months ago, 6 months later, KineCat token is still there, printing millionaires, still making waves. Every day is a testimony for us. We started from 0 holders, over 6,000 holders all around the world, and it's increasing. We're going to break 10,000, get to 50,000, and 1 million strong holders is where we're heading to. Build with a community, and you would see that money will just come to you naturally. You don't have to listen. You are not in crypto to buy coins. You are not in crypto space to buy coins. You are here to make profit, and that's why we're here. So all you need to do is get a project, believe in something, have conviction, and you'll be glad that you are part of it. So once again, I'm Real Collins, and I'll see you at the very top. And don't forget to have at least 1 million pieces of the KineCat token, the $1 trillion meme that hugs back, and it's gonna hug you back. God bless you, and bye bye.